Oh, what's happening YouTube? Your boy Tech TRX back now in the video. And today this one is from Dreametech. And this is the T30. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can notify when next videos to come with tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out our merch blog at 130.ca, hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. And today we're looking at the Dreametech cordless vacuum T30. We also have another Dreametech vacuum in this channel, so go ahead and check that out. Their robot vacuum is pretty good as well. It also could do mop. So today we're gonna do their stick vacuum. Here we go. Yeah, hopefully this one can do the exact same thing as the other one, because the other Dreametech vacuum was really good. So here we go. Whew! What a big unboxing. So we got some literature right here. Right here. Boom. Set here. There you go. Cradle right here and some screws. Little brush right there. You can extend as well. There you go. Has a little carbon fiber design there. Very nice. Boom. The vacuum itself. Very nice design actually, you know. Brushed aluminum there. Very nice. Woo! That's some smooth sailing things, eh? Very nice. Alright. Boom, it also comes with that guy right there. Very nice. Boom. Boom. Lots of accessories. Little flexi tube as well, right there. There you go. And there you go, another flexi tube as well. Whew. Very nice. And that's it for the box. So let's go ahead and test this out and see what it could do. Here it is, a very good device actually. I actually like the design of this. Yeah, it's quite premium. As you could see right here on the back, it also has a screen here that you can change to echo mode. There you go, and then there's a medium mode, and then there's also the turbo. It would also have that lever, that little graph that says dust level, which is pretty good. Now there's also continuous cleaning mode, where you just trigger like a toggle mode. There you go. And if you turn that off, then you'd have to hold it. As soon as you let go, it'll turn off. On the bottom here is the battery. There's a button right here that you could just click and then pull. And then you'll be able to let go of the battery right there, which is really good because you want external batteries like this so that you can buy a new one. It would be nice to have multiple batteries as well so that you can grab and go. Now, for example, you've been cleaning for a few weeks and you want to clean your vacuum. We're going to show you how to open this up. It's really legit actually. Suck out all the dirt in here and then you click this and then this would open. This would then release all the dirt into the garbage can or something like that. But if you want to clean the whole thing, what you need to do is take this button right here. Open that and then pull this out like so. There you go. Let's put that on the side for now. Here on top you will be able to see the filter where you don't need to buy new ones, just clean this. It says here that after cleaning, make sure that it is thoroughly dry for at least 24 hours. So this part right here comes off as well. So you would just twist to unlock it. There you go. And then pull it out. That whole inside comes off. Now with this, you'll be able to just clean this with water, and then you'd be good. And then as you can see here, this, pour some water in there, and then you'd be good as well. Inside here as well has a filter, which is a HEPA filter right here, which you can clean as well, and you'd be good to go. Again, it takes 24 hours before you put it back, so it doesn't damage the motor or anything like that. And to slap it back on is real easy, just the backwards way of doing it. There you go. You lock that in, put the filter back like so, and then you would just throw it back over here. There you go. And then slap the battery back. There you go. Very nice. Now here we see the mounting, where you can mount your vacuum, your stick vacuum, to the wall. And then you would just plug this in to the side of this, like so. And then these two little metals right here will literally charge your vacuum wirelessly. So let's go ahead and test that out by doing this. Then as you can see there on the side, as soon as it touches that contact, it'll have a light up there. As you can see there, it'll touch the back like so, and then it'll light up that light up there, showing you that it is charging. On the back as well, right here on the screen, it would show that it's also charging. There you go. Now it also comes with a few accessories like this. This is a mini brush. Basically, this is also electric, as you can see there. It'll be connected there. To release it is real easy, one button up there. And then on the bottom here, to be able to clean it, all you need to do is twist that right there, and then the whole brush comes off. The big one, the electric brush right here, exact same way. On the side here, you'll be able to twist that and then pull the whole thing out to clean it, like so. It's actually a very clean design because there's nothing that will get caught here. This is just literally one piece, so no pieces will be missing, if anything. And then this part right here will also swivel real easy. As you can see there, has a little flex tube right there. Exact same way, it's also electric. Very nice. Rubber wheels right there. To put it back, it's real easy. Just slap it back on like so. Make sure that lines up back to where it was, like that, and then you just twist it. It's all good. Now it also comes with flex tubes, like angle tubing like this, which is really nice, especially if you're going through different nooks and back of cabinets and whatnot. That's really useful. I like that addition as well. It also comes with this, where I think it's really useful when you are cleaning stairs, so that you have a tube that you can play around with. It also comes with a little brush like this. Let me know in the comments below what you use this for. I'm not really sure, but it has this little brush inside as well. Very nice. Now there's also this tubing which is clear that you can attach to your vacuum, and it's also battery powered. For some reason there's an electric thing that's coming into this, and we wonder why. Let's test it out. As you can see there, the end of this has a light. That's really cool. I've never seen that anything like this before. Really cool tech. I've never seen this in a stick vacuum before, and I like how they have a light on the end of this, so that you could see what your little spots here and there that you can't see. Then you'll be able to see it with this. Now as you can see, the design of this is also carbon fiber. That's really cool. Let me know what you think, if that's actually carbon fiber or not. And last but not least is a little brush like this, which it's that adjustable up here, like so. There you go. Very nice. You can use a lot of these accessories as well for flooring or carpets. Now we're just doing auto right now on the vacuum. That's how loud it is. Now, if there's really bad spots on your carpet, then you would just put it up to, like, let's say medium. There you go. As you can see, I'm able to maneuver it really easy. Goes into little spots like that. For example, you're gonna go into your bathroom, you'll be able to vacuum there as well. No problem at all. Of course, it works well as well on hardwood floors. There you go. Use this to clean the stairs, just like so. Very nice. Now it's pretty dark in this room, and we're gonna test out and see how well that flashlight is good. There you go. That flashlight is pretty bright, and it's useful when you're trying to see. You're working away like this, and you're trying to, clean your car or something like that. You'll be able to see all the dirt that's down there. Pretty good. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new stick vacuum. This one's from Dreametech T30. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below as well, so go ahead and check it out. Thank you for watching, everyone. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace!